Hello viewers, happy cooling season. Today we're going to take a look at my uncle's air conditioners running. It is a relatively hot day, about 85 degrees. It's a pretty hot day. Here's the Midea U-shaped inverter, the air conditioner. Nice sweaty suction line. It's an inverter. We all love a classic inverter air conditioner. Let's look at the fan. And here we got the 18,000 BTU Frigidaire, the air conditioner. Let's see if the compressor will start. Let's look at the fan. And at the end of this video, we are going to include a special. So be prepared for that, folks. This unit is, oh, I just heard a kick off. This unit is 18 inches high by 26 inches wide by 26 inches deep. This is 18,000 BTUs. The unit that's going to be seen at the end of this video is even more special. Stay tuned. Spoiler alert, we are en route to the special unit. Stay tuned. There you go, folks. We're going to have a part 2.